How to sign up on Life360 application. So let's get started. After you download this application, it's pretty easy. Just go Play Store, search Life360, then make sure it's the right application. Click on install, download, and then we're gonna open it. So how to sign up? First step, click on get started, and then you just need to put here your number. Make sure your prefix is correct. So select your country first, and then just type your number. Now we're gonna click on continue, choose your name, write your name here. Click continue, add your email, click continue, and now we're gonna create our password. Okay, perfect. Don't forget to add letters, numbers, or special character. And now we need to select our birthday. Continue, and again continue. All right. And now it's asking us to join a circle. We don't have a circle, we just started this application, this new account, so we can create a new circle straight away. And it's gonna be a Rive family, like my family, okay? And now if you share this code with your friends and family, they can join your circle, but you can do it later as well. I'm done with sharing. And how to describe your role in the circle. For example, I can be dad or son. I'm just gonna be friend because maybe we can use it with our friend. Add your photo. You can do it now or you can do it later. I'm gonna skip it now. And then for sure it's location. You need to enable location for this application. Physical activity, so it can monitor your travel, driver safety and crash detection. Click on enable. Also, if you see the sign, something is wrong, so click on it again. Go to your settings. And we need to go app permission, location, do it allow all the time. Click on continue, and now here you can add your home address, but you can also skip it now. Location history, you can skip it now as well. Okay, now we get the option turn off battery optimization. You can change it now or later. It means it can save your battery. And now all is set up. So this is how can you sign up for application. In the next few videos, I will show you how to set up more things in this application. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or like, and see you later.